Hey guys, in today's video I'm just going to show you can use Task Manager to improve the performance of your computer. So how do you get Task Manager? Well, press Ctrl, Shift and Escape. And Task Manager should pop up if you're using Windows. There, it popped up, and I'm just going to show you another way to get it. Go at the bottom and right click, and then Task Manager will pop up, and click that. It might have been like that for you, so I'm going to show you how it is. So it should be like that. That just shows the two apps you're currently using. And see, we OBS in Windows, when you click more details, and then we just have all the tabs to open, which are the 7 tabs: processes. Everything is happening now: performance, CPU, GPU, memory, Ethernet, GPU, app history, all the apps you used. You're not currently using, start up all the apps. It starts up when you boot up your PC. The users, obviously have one user on your PC unless you have multiple users. Details, everything that is currently running in the background of your computer. And then we have services, Windows, all the services Windows 10 offers is stored or shown on Task Manager. So now I'm going to go into more depth of what each one means. So processes means everything that is being processed on your computer. So at the moment, these, as I said earlier, these are the two apps that are now open on the PC. It shows everything, all the apps that are currently running. See the Google Chrome. Now if you want to end the task, just right click and say end task. This may or not increase the performance of your computer. That's why you need to check on the top right. If it says high, then end the task. Or in performance, shows your CPU, and it shows everything. Memory, how much memory you have, your SSD, which is your hard drive or SSD, and you can see that it says your space and yes, if it's formatted. This is your Ethernet, which is obviously your Wi-Fi. It shows what type of Wi-Fi you have, Ethernet, IP address, your GPU, graphics processing unit. It shows the name of your GPU and the VRAM it has. While CPU, I can change it to the cores. As you can see, I changed to 4 cores. It shows your uptime and everything, app history. Now this is where everything gets stored. So all the apps that you've been using the past few days get stored here. Startup is, it shows where all the apps that starts up the minute you boot up your PC. So that's your users. Obviously there's one user. Detail shows every software that's currently running in the background of your PC. Services, all in the Windows system file. This is all the services that Windows offers. Thanks for watching.